people. They are again for another adventure, my peeps. So, I just want to say thank you so very much for the lovely support, you know what I mean? Thank you so very much for the support, my people, because today, they are another adventure. Today, we're going to match up some kidney and white rice. Yeah, man, so the kidney already cleaned up, so what we're going to do now, we're going to get the kidney cut up, you know what I mean? So we're going to get down to things right now and start getting the kidney cut up, my people, because as I said before, it's already cleaned up. So I'll get them together now and start to get the kidney cut up right away. Peeps, I don't know. Today, you want 4,000 likes for your one. I want to go epic. Yeah, man. You don't know, I say big up Nick behind the camera, you know what I mean? Yeah, my peeps. No kidney and white rice. But yes, my people, I eat that, you know. Yeah, man, kidney looking very lovely. Yes, my people. So, what I'm gonna do now, get this washed off. So, I'm gonna wash off the kidney another time. Yeah, my people, I already get the kidney wash off, so what we're gonna do now, what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna light up the stove now, you know, light up the stove. Yeah, my people, so the oil hot, so we just add a little piece of garlic in the pot, you know what I mean? Yeah, so as soon as we're ready, we're going to drop in the kidney. Okay, you don't know, you know. So watch this now, my people. Yeah. Kidney going to be, you know. Yeah, man. So I'll give the kidney a little stirring at the meanwhile, you know. One stir the kidney. Yeah. So peeps, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna shut down the pot until the kidney go on cook down, you know what I mean? As long as you cook kidney, remember, do not use a lot of oil whenever you're cooking kidney. Remember, do not use a lot of oil because kidney come with its own oil as far as me concerned. Yeah, man. So you don't need a lot of oil. Meanwhile, the kidney, I go and cook down what I do, put on the rice in the meanwhile, you know what I mean? So go and get some things done in the meanwhile, my people. So get the rice washed proper way. Go on. And the people get the stove light in the meanwhile. Yeah? Get the rice set on, my people. Tip a little bit of salt, not too much. Give the pot a stir. Then my people, I go and drop some butter on it. I see it's like cooking the rice without piece of butter. I'm not biased. That's not wicked. You have to have the butter to get the moisture where you want, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Go and get the pot cover up and make it the stove do the rest, you know what I mean? So I go check in back on the kidney, see what they go and feed. Wow, damn, look at that. Oh my God. Kidney look good, man, Raya. Look good, man, I'm biased, I like how it look. I know. Ariana, one day off you see this. One mark, one day off you see this. Oh my God. People. Then wash off. So we can start to get the seasoning cut up, you know what I mean? Yeah, my people. Yeah, my people, look at that. Piece of ginger, you know? already got the thyme. We got 2 fermenter seed, you know what I mean, peeps? Yeah, just like that. So peeps, got some tomato first. Then we got some Irish potato. We got some pepper. So this mixture is ginger right here, and also pimento seed with the thyme, you know what I mean? And I look at this scallion, not too much. Then we still got some pepper with some carrot. Wow. Then I got the onion right there. Yeah, man. Then what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna give it a stir. Oh my God. Look at that, my people. That's hot enough. So we're gonna add some fish season. I'm gonna add a little tip of black pepper, but not too much. A little tip of salt. A little tip of jerk season. Then I'll get the pot and stir it now. I'll close up the pot and let it stay. Back on the rice again, you know. Yeah, man. Oh my God. Peeps, as I said before, but don't like when rice married. If it's Shelly, yeah, this me I talk about. Don't married. Don't want to itch on one another. Like they're married, you see me? Although two somebody married, a man and a woman married are good look, but me know my rice married. You see me? Yeah, man. If it's Shelly, you see me? Yeah. One can count all of the grain them. Yeah, 1 minute. Finish the pan, you see me? The rice done and the kidney finished. So we're going to turn off the stove and start some sharing, and then start to consume some food. So start with some sharing now. So catch me when I share out the food. So I'm going to talk about rice is Shelly, you see me? Don't want it married. Yeah, man, if it's Shelly. And it's Shelly better. Alright, my people. Wow. Good. I'm gonna start consume some food now. So thanks for watching, and remember, please like, share, and leave a comment. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend to come over, yes sir. You hear that? I'm out.